Are you looking to learn how to draw a leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day? This one has a cute face and simple body and is easy for almost all ages to enjoy. Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher and I've been teaching kids how to draw for more than 20 years. Why don't you go grab a pencil and some paper and we can draw this leprechaun together. A quick note before we start. I do like to draw with center pencil guidelines on my paper, especially when drawing bodies. I find they really help me use the whole piece of paper. Step number 1. We're going to start by drawing what we see of the leprechaun's face. In other words, the curve of the hat and the outside of the beard. Place your pencil on the center line of the paper, draw a curve to the right, and then the swerve of the beard below. When the right side is drawn, then draw the same on the left side. Now, the inside line of the beard and the ears are added. Sorry, it seems I forgot to hit my record button here, but this step is pretty simple. Draw the inside beard line like you see here, and then the 2 pointy ears. Step number 2. Okay, now comes the hat that sits on the leprechaun's head, including the brim and then the top shape. Place your pencil on the left ear, and start the large curve that goes up and over to the right ear. When that is done, then draw one side of the hat and the other, and finish with the curve on top. Step number 3, the hat now just needs the buckle shape and the band added to it. Draw the square buckle shape in the center first, including the inside, then add lines for the band on the left and on the right. Step number 4. This leprechaun's face is pretty simple, just eyes, nose, and a mouth. I'm starting with the round eyes and adding little circles inside for those white spots. Then the eyebrows go above, and a curve for the nose, and a smiling mouth below. Step number 5. It's time to draw this guy's little jacket with outstretched arms. Start with the sleeve on the right. Make it bend up a little bit. Then draw the sleeve on the left. It can be straight. Add the sides to the jacket and the curved bottom. When you're done with that, go back to the center and draw that overlapping front edge and maybe a few buttons. Okay, this is easy, just adding some pants underneath that jacket. I'm starting on the left, drawing down and across and up to the center, and then continuing on to make a matching right side of the shorts. Step number 6. Now come the little leprechaun legs. These are very simple too. I'm starting with 2 lines on the right side and a simple shoe below. When that side is done, then draw a matching leg on the left side, along with a shoe. And before you're done, add a simple buckle on each shoe too. Alright, it's time to add some hands to the end of those sleeves. Just a thumb and a palm are really all you need on the right side. And then the left hand can be simple too, but it has a thumb on the bottom to get ready for that wand. Now we can add that wand coming down from the left hand. Try to make it straight and pretty skinny too. Step number 7. Just a few more details now, like adding stripes on those stockings. I'm adding about 5 lines on each leg. Remember, if you add a lot, they might get hard to color in, but feel free to make as many as you want. Step number 8. Finally, we need a horizon line and maybe some shrubbery or low cloud shapes in the distance. Draw a kind of straight line for the horizon, and then a scalloped one above it, like this. Step number 9. Alright, our drawing is all done, so it's time to trace those pencil lines with a good black marker. This fine tip Sharpie is one of my favorites. Do work slowly so that you can stay right on top of those pencil lines. When the tracing is done, it's always a good time to use an eraser to kind of clean things up a bit. Alright then, now we can start coloring. I'm going to begin with all the green that this leprechaun is wearing, and that includes his hat, jacket, shorts, and those striped socks. Next comes an orange beard. I think a dark orange works best here. The leprechaun skin is usually a kind of peach color, and don't forget to color those hands too. I'm going to color the brim of his hat a nice dark black color. And the shoes and the wand are going to be brown. All that's left now is the background. I'm going to use a light green for the grass so it doesn't blend in with those green clothes, and a light blue for the sky. I like having some white in my drawing, so I'm going to leave the shape above the grass so it looks like some low fluffy clouds. And here is my finished drawing of a leprechaun. He was pretty easy to draw, don't you think? At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find hundreds more art lessons, which over the years have helped millions of kids learn how to draw. There's one for drawing a leprechaun hat and leprechaun shoes. I hope you try them out too. See you next time.